It is Vlogmas Day 19. Welcome back, family fun time. Welcome back. It's your girl, Stephanie.
And Alex.
If you guys are new to my channel, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. What y'all waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell so you won't miss anything from us. If you guys are not new, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title, we are back with another bang for you. Y'all, as y'all can tell by the title. Yesterday, while we were at Samantha's house, open up all the presents that's not even ours. What? They call it revenge. Okay? Now, you want to know what we did?
We took a bunch of their stuff and we rewrapped it. So when she comes over, we're going to give it to her as like, we bought this. And let's see how far she can realize it's her stuff. So yes. We got 1, 2, 3.
I told him I think 18.
We have a big bag of stuff right here. Want to bring me that big bag?
This big bag is the... I already tasted it.
That will be the final one.
This is going to be the final last one. Or should we just give her this one first so she can realize, like, you know what? I got another elephant. I think we should give her this one first.
Yeah. Because
she's going to realize, oh, I got another one.
Well...
Sorry, guys. We don't know what happened. So, y'all, like I said before, we don't steal. I caught my kids better, okay? Would you stop before you end up hitting me with that? Seriously, no stop. Trying to swing that necklace. Anyways, would you stop, please, Alex?
It's wrapping around my finger.
Oh. Right, so we don't steal. Y'all... My family steals. We try so hard to get them to stop. They talk about so many people, but yeah, you're one of them. So, y'all, I didn't steal. I would never steal of a day of my life. Never. Okay? So, like I said, we might took it, but we're giving it back. It's not like, this is not stealing, isn't it? No. Really, I'm not stealing. So, let's just get Samantha's reaction. But, you guys that's out there, if you guys are out there stealing, think about it before you even try to grab. You know, just think about it. Just like, you know what? That's not me. If I want one, I'm going to go get it. You know, God don't want y'all to steal.
Mariana?
It's ugly. You know? So... yeah, most of you, please, don't try that. Don't. But this is going to be funny. So make sure y'all like, share, and don't forget that subscribe button, y'all. And come on, go and get your popcorn, get some tea, get what you got to get, and stay back watching this go down. I got a feeling she's going to get me. I got a feeling she's not going to trust me. But Samantha, I didn't steal. At least you got it back. Okay? So, don't come for me, girl. See y'all. Alright, guys. So, this is her present. And we have some more over here. And then we got some shoveling under here. I don't know what to start. You guys, I am a little shocked. It's okay. She's out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think 11 or 12, y'all. So let's wait for Samantha. And give her that big bag. Mimo, come and look. Easy.
All right.
Easy. Samantha is heavy, right? Pick it up. Here, slide over. Or go ahead. Oh, shoot. That way we're not blocking our face. All right.
No moment, Alex.
Pick up the bag. But be easy when you put it down. Come on.
Oh, you can find me.
One paper by one paper. Come on.
What do you think, Mimo? Come here now.
Just open it, put it on the table so they can see too.
I love it.
Yay.
I love it.
What is it?
They want to see. He said, what it is there? Now is it Frank Mimo?
That's what I said.
I told you. She's gonna like it. All right, Alice.
Yeah, I love my elephant.
That little
wanna go give it to
square
me,
over
Daddy?
there. Nope, down. Be easy. Hold on. Wait, I want to go one by one.
I want to go by one by one. I think I should wait on that.
Go under and give me the other one like this one. Under. But you should.
Stephanie, I need help. No, Alex.
And her mug.
Dorothy.
And her mug.
Give me the other little one down there. Hey, I get to give you the gift just like you give it to us.
What is this? I'm so happy right now. Oh my God, I forgot.
It's pink.
Alright, I'm so happy right now.
Oh, I got more elephant.
Jael.
But Dorothy's gonna kill me, but she wants the elephant.
Dorothy's gonna kill you.
She
Dorothy wanted one. I know you're gonna like it. It's all over the house. Easy.
I know you guys did not take my elephant because
I promise you, girl, we did not take no elephant.
oh, you know what? Where is it at?
I know where you got it from. Now open because I got more. Now Mimo gotta live with more elephants. I bet you don't have a little one.
Like this, yes I do.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, I do got this. Yeah, no.
All right, open this one. I bet you don't have this one.
This is my.
Open this one. I bet you don't have this one.
If I
Easy.
If I take it in my house, if I know. Yeah, no. This is what me and my family got. You know what? No. No.
Sit down. Come here.
Don't on my elephant.
You got it. They want to see your reaction.
Yeah. Now you don't even want my elephant. Your mama stole it from me.
My wrapping tape.
You stole my flower. Man, you stole my
I didn't know she took it. I didn't even know she took it.
You know what? No, come on, Mimo.
No.
I
Open it.
don't want no.
They want to see what I do. They want to see it.
My water flower.
Open it.
I don't want to carry it out. They stole my stuff. Mimo.
She caught on very quick.
I know that's your daddy coffee cup.
How do you know?
You know, put that on.
You got to show them.
Yeah, you know. Hey, this is my daughter. Would you motherfucker? Mimo. I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna kill you, girl. I'm gonna kill you. Put it all back. Yeah. Stephanie, stop playing. Okay, you know what? I'm about to hurt you. She stole my elephant. She stole my elephant. Yes, she did.
Her actually,
Yes,
I
you
took
did.
the elephants, and so did.
Now I'm afraid you're gonna break out my elephant, girl.
Is it broken? No.
Yeah, I can.
Bonnie, get out of the sink.
What you calling thing? I know you ain't Metro Mom now. I'm not opening it, young lady.
I'm jumping in the sink.
Show them. No. I'm not your Dorothy or Beverly.
Why you say that?
Why you throw my phone in the cup?
Stingy?
No, you're. This is my Paul Cooper.
They got it there.
No.
Show them the name.
No.
Hey, I didn't steal. You got it back. I'm not that girl.
I don't know. This little bitch goes.
But I got her. Hey.
That's your daddy teddy bear.
Hey, I was trying to get much as I can.
I just grabbed what I saw.
And this is Mimo clock.
Is that all of how do you know what the clock?
Good day. I did just Mimo.
That might be an ashtray.
No, it's not. It's a clock, baby girl.
That really Mimo?
Yeah, it is.
I'm like freak. I didn't grab nothing of Mimo.
It was in that one room on the mirror.
I was gonna grab a couple clothes of Mimo.
I'm not stupid. They did it, Mimo. Banger motherfucker.
Love
No
that
wobble.
outfit.
No
I just
wobble.
want to give her what you want
Yeah,
to give
no
her.
wobble. She ain't got no wobble.
But hold on,
You
Alex
don't
got
got
something
no-
for you.
You don't got no wobble.
Alex got something for you.
You are another few words that have
Close your eyes, Alex. Then.
No, you try.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your hand.
No. Oh, I love my Alex.
We got the same one.
Oh, I don't want the same one like your sticky mama. Oh, yeah.
Just got her. Ha ha. Ha ha. I didn't steal. You got it back.
I bet. I didn't know. I didn't see that. You thought of it out. You know what? You do.
Oh no, no! Listen, no! Listen. Hold on. I tell you why. Listen. I asked them the other day. They said they don't want no part of it. So I said, okay, just don't say nothing, right? They don't want to be in the middle of it. So I didn't ask them to help me. So Alice, I told Alice what to grab. Alice, grab this, the teddy bear. I said, well, no, we need more, big one. So we came back and we got more. And you want to know when I got all this? Yesterday. Mimo, where were you at when we were open presents?
Oh,
You're supposed to be watching them.
I was tired.
I got it. Yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, share, share. And don't forget,
Down.
that's the subscribe button and your notification bell on. Until next time, bye.